Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for, um, this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gusto mo po personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Anyway, this is love reading. Let's start your reading for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. By the way, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel, pa-subscribe na lang ha, pa-comment sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita na suporta, pagmamahal. Nagaganahan po akong mag-reading pag may mga comment sa baba. And palike na lang ng pinaka-video. Ayan. Let's start Earth sign. Earth sign. You do have here the Ace of Cups. Three of Swords. Why? Earth sign. Queen of Cups. Yeah. Judgment. Kunin ko na rin yung sa person mo. I will be using a different card para sa person na ito. By the way, this particular card, meron siyang, itong deck, may sira yung isang card dito. But this is one of my favorite. Napakaganda ng pictures dito. So, medyo ingat-ingat lang ako sa pag-shuffle. Pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Gusto ko lang talaga yung image. Look at that. O, diba? Napakaganda ng mga images niya. So, I really do love using this card. Three of Cups, Nine of Wands, and the Two of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Ace of Cups is also here. Kaya lang it's followed by the Moon. Bakit ko sinabing kaya lang? Kasi nakikita natin, both of you do love each other. Mahal mo tong taong to, mahal ka niya. Pero nakikita natin with the Three of Swords, nasasaktan ka sa pagmamahal na ginagawa mo sa kanya. Mahal mo siya pero ang hirap niyang mahalin. With the Judgment might be gising na gising ka sa connection ninyo, sa katotohanan regarding sa connection ninyo. The Two of Pentacles, I feel like this is a person. I do see that you do have choices. Pero kung may choices ka, siya yung pinipili mo eh. But the question is, ikaw ba pinipili niya? Because the Three of Swords might be there's another person na involved dito sa connection nito. The Nine of Wands, nakikita natin that this person is being, playing hard to get. With the Three of Cups, pwedeng friends kayo, or maybe with the Two of Wands, I can see that there's other plans. Itong person na to, may mga plano siya. Maybe your friends, but but I can see love here. Pero yun nga, with the Seven of Swords and the Knight of Swords, this is showing us a person who is, nakita tayo dito ng ninja eh. You know what a ninja is? A ninja, they're not showing their selves. Hindi nila pinapakita yung sarili nila. They're like shadows. As much as possible, huwag mong makikita, malalaman itong emotion na to with the Ace of Cups. Especially, kaya ko sinabing kaya lang kasi the Moon is here. The Moon is a very secretive energy. Yan. And it's Pisces energy. So, misteryosa nitong taong ito. So, yung emotions niya talaga nakatago, I don't know if this person is planning to tell you that or to show you that emotions. Pero sa ngayon, hindi ko nakikita. Ina-avoid niya, iniiwasan niya. Kaya nga, sa energy mo, ang hirap niyang mahalin. Ngayon, ano ang emotions niyo sa isa't isa? Nakikita na natin, you really do love this person. The Death card is here. Okay, the World. Okay. The Hermit. Wow. That's Virgo energy. And the Ten of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Swords. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Earth sign. Two of Coins is here. The Devil is here. And the King of Coins. Emotions, please. You do have here the Knight of Coins, and you do have here the Two of Cups at the bottom of the deck. The Judgment is also here, the Star. This person, nakakaamoy ako ng buko. Buko or nyog. Gata, ganun. This could be a reading. Death card is here, so I feel like sa ngayon, you're trying to end itong the world, being open sa emotions mo dito sa person na to. Maybe you're being open or you are open just in case na dumating itong person na to. Maybe ikaw itong bukas ang pintuan para sa taong ito. But with the Hermit, you are isolating yourself. You are trying to, mahal mo siya, but maybe you're going back to your family, going back to the place or home na kung saan dito tanggap ako. This person, hindi niya ako tanggap or hindi niya gusto sa akin or like that kind of energy. And now, with the Two of Swords, maybe nagkakaroon ka ng pagdedesisyon na with the Moon, be more close or ikaw ito na being silent na pagdating sa connection or maybe emotions mo pagdating sa person na ito. The energy of your person with the Two of Coins, nakikita natin that this person, marami siyang priorities ngayon. With the Devil, I feel like I don't feel like itong person na to is being true sa kanyang sarili. The Devil is like nakikita natin as nagsisinungaling. And with the King of Coins and the Knight of Coins, I feel like ang focus ng person nito is material things, pera, career. Maybe if the two of Cups, maybe this is another relationship, pero may pero eh. Maybe this person is minamanipula ng person na kakonect niya ngayon. But anyway, what will happen in the future for the both of you? You do have the Two of Pentacles. You could be dealing with an earth sign. And kanina pa nagpapakita itong Two of Pentacles. The Two of Coins and the Two of Pentacles are the same energy. So, you would be dealing with an earth sign, and nakikita ko ito as a push and pull. Push and pull kind of energy. And then, pero more like push eh. So, in the future, you do have here the Four of Wands, then the Six of Coins, and the Two of Swords. Well, Two of Pentacles, nakikita natin that you do have a lot of priorities in the near future. With the Seven of Swords, nakikita natin yung priority mo na yan na nagiging dahilan para umiwas or lumayo dito sa person na ito. And with the Six of Pentacles, pareho ito eh. Six of Coins at saka Six of Pentacles. Coins and Pentacles are the same. So, pareho kayo na may mga kanya-kanya kayong priorities. And with the Four of Wands, let's clarify this. What's with the Four of Wands? There's the Six of Swords. If there's another relationship or connection na involved dito sa connection na ito, especially if nasa side ng person mo, this person is moving on dito sa connection nito, or like the choice is, kung ano yung stable para sa akin, dito ako. So, I feel like this person is staying sa isang relationship, sa connection. The Nine of Cups is showing us the other connection, other options sa buhay niya. And with the Death card, there's a lot of ending na nangyayari sa inyo. And you do have here the Nine of Swords. Like, hindi ko nakikita papansinin or gagawa siya ng actions towards you because, this person really do likes you but wala siyang magawa. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.